So, what is meant by this word diversity? Gender, of course, we know. Diversity means what?
Various or variety.
अलग अलग होना, विभिन्नता होना।
अलग अलग होना, विभिन्नता होना. Okay. And how does that apply to gender diversity at workplace? The real meaning of diversity is basically collection. Actually, it is collection. So now, if you add this word gender diversity is collection at workplace, so what would this mean then? What message would these words imply? Gender collection at workplace.
अलग अलग जेंडर्स का कलेक्शन,
Here at
जैसे
work,
मेल एंड फीमेल।
at workplace. Okay, and Ajkal, I'm talking about these present time. How many genders are legally considered acceptable these days? How many genders are legally considered acceptable?
Three.
Which three?
Male, woman, and transgender.
The side is male, female, and transgender. Now, in fact, many companies have even modified their, this recruitment form, etc., and they have added this word there. So, gender diversity at workplace means employment of all these three genders by a company in their workplace. How does that affect the working and what they should do to basically encourage this? In fact, so much so that government has even made rules these days for this gender diversity. So that is the topic for this presentation, and then uske baad dusra hai code of conduct at workplace, which is really nothing but good etiquette. So let somebody read this. Anyone is welcome to read. Anyone, or should I ask someone to read?
It is the proportion of male to females in an organization that can affect the way in which they interact and behave with one another at the workplace and thereby impact the social and culture environment.
Right? So, what does this mean? It is in what ratio? Proportion actually means ratio. How many males to females company employs, and how that affects the behavior of these workers with each other, or how that impacts performance of the company, or what impact that has on social and cultural environment within the company and even outside the company. So that is what this gender diversity is all about. Not a long time back, there the workforce was predominantly male. Now slowly that's changing. One, because of the kind of industry now which is getting more and more prominence, and second, now there is a lot of freedom and liberation given to ladies. So now they also contribute large part of workforce. So what impact they have on the working culture? That is what this gender diversity is all about. They are mainly prominent fields in which we find ladies. One is education, second is IT field, third is hospitality. So, what was that? Service sector areas. That's where more and more ladies are now getting employment. So, Hanji, who will read this? Why gender diversity? Rupali, are you there? Or Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so आप पढ़िए जरा, read it.
Okay, sir. Studies shows that business teams with an equal gender mix perform significantly better than male-dominated team when it comes to both sale and profits.
Right, so very clear. एंड इसका एक व्हाई दिस हैपेंस, ये जो आपको ऊपर इमेज दिखती है उस इमेज में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है टीम्स विद मोर देन 50% वुमेन हैव हायर कलेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस which means it says women are more intelligent than men. This is because women score higher in social perceptiveness, which increases empathy, reading non-verbal cues and collaboration. What is meant by this word empathy? Empathy का meaning क्या होता है? We have two words, sympathy and empathy.
फिर किसी की हेल्प करना.
Empathy, no, not really.
सिंपैथी मतलब सर उसको संतावना देना, मतलब एग्जैक्टली हेल्प नहीं करना, मतलब उसको बस दिलासा देना.
Okay, and empathy?
एम्पैथी उसको मतलब उस चीज में इन्वॉल्व होना, उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए या फिर किसी.
Little more specific.
यस.
If you can be little more specific as far as empathy is concerned. Anybody else?
To sense other people's emotions.
And then for what purpose?
Expecting nothing
So
in
thinking of
return.
feeling.
No. Somebody else?
So sympathy is like when you feel sorry for someone, and empathy is like when you feel sorry because you have been in their position and you can actually feel how they're feeling.
You are absolutely right, but I, put it this way. I'll change the language slightly. Somebody is reacting. Let's say somebody is acting in very angry way. Now, जिसके ऊपर वो गुस्सा कर रहा है, this fellow has two options. One is to give it back as much as or more than he is getting. Second thing is to analyze why this person is behaving in that particular way. Then how can I change my behavior to make him behave in a better manner? सो एम्पैथी जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, आप अपने अपने आप को उसके जूते में डाल के सोचिए, देखिए वो ऐसा क्यों बिहेव कर रहा है एंड देन चेंज योर बिहेवियर अकॉर्डिंगली. दैट्स कॉल्ड एम्पैथी. सिंपैथी इज सिंपली लाइक आप लोगों ने बोला सहानुभूति. समबडी हैज सफर्ड अ लॉस, यू गो एंड टेल हिम ये बहुत सॉरी, आपको बहुत दुख लगा, आपके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम हुई, हालांकि अंदर से आप खुश हो रहे होगे. दैट्स डिफरेंट मैटर. So it has been proved that ladies का, women का जो behavior है, that is more empathetic. So they, instead of before simply reacting to you in whichever way you are reacting, they'll try to imagine, guess why you are behaving in that manner and change their behavior accordingly. It's a very good quality to have. and of course they are multitaskers. So when the ladies are involved in the business, the performance goes up. And ये भी लिखा है, teams with more than 50% women have higher collective intelligence, and this leads to better decision making and innovation. So studies have shown that business teams with equal gender mix perform significantly better than male dominated teams when it comes to both sales and profit. No company works only for manufacturing. Eventual purpose of any business is selling and earn profit. बिजनेस की फंडामेंटल डेफिनेशन ही है ये, एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिसका सोल पर्पस है टू मेक प्रॉफिट. सो मैं नहीं बोलता, स्टडीज बोलती हैं व्हेन देयर इज सिग्निफिकेंट प्रेजेंस ऑफ women in the company, the performance goes up. This study show that, and one of the reason is ये जो ऊपर आपको ये स्लाइड बता रही है, more empathetic, bigger decision making, more intelligence. And who will read this? Okay, Twinkle, are you there? See, another thing is now ये last session में थोड़ा attendance कम हो जाता है. Now what I'm going to do is ये जिनका the names I'm calling, if they don't respond, I'll absent mark कर देंगे.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so read this.
Hello.
Yes, simply read the slide. That's it.
Okay. Diversity, a word synonymous with change and difference, is necessary for business success.
Can you try to explain this? What simple language है? Can you try to explain?
Sir, I understand what is written, but like they are saying that diversity is synonymous to the words changes and differences, which mean different people or different genders or basically a variety of things. And it is necessary for businesses success because different, for example, if we talk about skills, so different type of skills come together, and that's how a business actually works.
Yeah, so it is जो diversity है, it's a word synonymous with change and difference. Society तो change हो रही है and changing very fast, and it is now necessary for business success. And इसके पहले वाली slide तो बता ही रही थी हो, where you have significant presence of women, the performance and profit of the companies increase. Okay, then changing scenario. Then this. What does it say? Who will read? Anyone? Okay, Sandeep, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, बढ़िए. थोड़ा explain करने का try करिए.
Okay. Lack of experiences, higher performance, exceeding expectations, good relationship management, and these things men and women face same barriers.
So, can you try to explain this?
सर जो मेन एंड वुमेन है वो दोनों ही इन चीजों का एक्सपीरियंस करती है, जैसे लेक ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, ये चीज दोनों के साथ हो सकती है.
Then what else?
हायर परफॉर्मेंस जो कि दोनों के साथ हो, मतलब जो चारों पॉइंट है वो दोनों के साथ हो सकता है. What I understand.
This is the expectation, and anybody who wants to progress, these are the things expected from that person: higher performance, exceeding expectations, good relationship management. So anybody who can prove higher performance, exceeds expectations, and has good relationship management, that person will succeed faster and succeed more. Now मैं आपको I think I told yesterday also, आपका जो success है वो आपकी actually performance के ऊपर उतना depend नहीं करता जितना perception के ऊपर depend करता है. And what is perception? What others think about you. And if you want people to think good about you, then you have to have good relationship management. Exceeding expectations. In fact, यहाँ तो लिखा हुआ है men and women face same barriers, but in practical life, actually, women have to exceed their men counterparts in all these areas to get same, like salary increase or same promotions or same increments, same. In addition to that, in addition to competing with their male colleagues in the office, most of the ladies in India have also to do household work. This is additional duty, and normally in Indian culture, why Indian? Normally in most of the cultures, men don't really help them much. So to succeed professionally, women have to succeed, have to perform better than their male counterparts in professional sphere, and also look after most of their household activities. तो ये उनके लिए डबल वैमी है. बट इसका बेनिफिट्स क्या है? बेनिफिट्स to company. Now please don't do this. Jamin, you are okay. Benefits of gender diversity. इसका फायदा क्या है? To company and to, that is to employee and to the employer. दोनों को क्या क्या फायदा है? To employers. Who will read this?
Yeah.
Hurry.
It improves financial performance. It it broadens your customer base. It improves problem solving. Fourth, it helps with recruiting and retention company wide. Fifth, it's the law.
Then we can start with fifth. Now even the government has mandated that companies have to employ, उनका जो ratio होना चाहिए gender diversity का इतना होना चाहिए. It has now become a law. But आप law को छोड़ दीजिए. Otherwise too, if there is good gender diversity, the studies have shown that it improves financial performance of the company, broadens customer base, improves problem solving skills, and helps with recruiting and retention company wide. Resignation rate low हो जाता है. Why? One reason is maybe women are more loyal towards company than men. So overall, less number of people will leave the company because normally women are more loyal. So उनका जो resignation rate है वो थोड़ा कम रहता है. So retention is better. This is to employer and to employees. Now, Sejal, are you there?
Motivation.
Okay.
Motivation, dignity at work, equality at work, satisfaction at work.
So to employees, जो काम करने वाले हैं, again, I'm not saying, studies say when there's a good gender mix, people feel more motivated, they get more dignity at work, there's more equality, and people have greater satisfaction at work. So gender diversity से दोनों को फायदा होता है, to employers and also to employees, both get benefited. Right, so who will read this? Twinkle, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your turn.
Employees are viewed as big assets of the company nowadays, which increase operational efficiency. Companies are committed to implementing and promoting measures to protect the dignity of employees and to encourage respect for others at work. New policy of companies is to value the contribution of all our people and aim to create a work environment free from harassment, bullying and disrespectful behavior, and where any complaints of such conduct that may arise are dealt with as quickly and effectively as possible.
Can you try to explain what is, whatever you have understood, try to explain ये क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है?
Sir, I think it means that nowadays companies are realizing that human resources are very important. So they should treat people with respect and maintain a healthy environment at work that will increase morale and maintain a good work environment and will be more productive.
Yes, we have now two type of industries. One is manufacturing industry, where people come, workers come, work on the machine, and when their shift is over, go back home. But there are other kind of companies, IT companies, etc., where there are no machines to be operated. Basically, people use their mind, their skill, to give some output. And in fact, in IT companies, people say, बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं, every day in the evening, all of our brains go out of the office. Why? Because there in IT industries, there is no machine to be operated. Basically, people use their mind to do something. So a lot of companies now have started spending a lot of time and effort to keep their employees happy, satisfied. A lot of companies these days have gone to the extent of not only keeping their professional life happy when they're in the office, even trying to get into their personal life to see that even in their personal life they don't have much problem. Companies get into mentoring. If you see, there are many companies where when you join in such positions as trainees, you are given a mentor, and that mentor is never your boss. That mentor is somebody else, and it is mentor's job to basically groom you and to solve all your problems, not only professional problems, even your personal problem, so that when people come to the office or factory, they are not weighed down by any of their personal or professional problem. Companies have now these days going to great length to basically look after the employees, not only their professional, also personal needs. So now policy of companies is to value contribution of all people and aim to create a work environment free from harassment, bullying, and disrespectful behavior. Where any such complaint is received, companies address that very quickly, very effectively. Because those people who have to use their brains for working, if they are under tension, output will go down. Service industries, IT industries, you don't use machines, you use your brain and interpersonal skills. So, dignity at work, that policy. Companies are spending a lot of time and effort in this direction now. Right. So this, let's see. Rupali, are you there?
Yes, so
तो थोड़ा पढ़ दीजिए और थोड़ा समझाने का ट्राई करिए. Dignity at work.
okay. Men and women are also similar in their desire for workplace flexibility, demonstrating that balancing work and personal responsibilities is not simply a woman's issue. Um, Although women face more challenges in achieving work or life balance, women and men equally desire a variety of informal and formal flexible work arrangements. Clearly, workplace flexibility is no longer just about women and childcare, but is more like a quality of life issue for all employees.
Right. So what is he trying to say? Joby, whatever you can
Um,
explain.
uh, Here, it is that men and women both desire for same workplace, but then women face more challenges as she has to take care of her household and even face challenges at the workplace.
Right. So whosoever starts working, they expect good increments, good promotions, and in whichever way they can earn recognition of their contribution. But this is also true that women face more problems in the sense government जितना मर्जी rules बनाते रहे, but mentally they have to perform much better as compared to their male colleagues to get same kind of recognition. Plus, they also have to uh, look after their household duties. So that's what, although women face more challenges in achieving work-life balance, but उनकी भी desire same ही है in terms of advancement, increments, promotions. So in the workplace flexibility है ये सिर्फ men के लिए. Now lot of companies used to do lot of things for women, especially during their pregnancy and childbirth and all that. But now they say नहीं ये it should not be confined only to women and only during that time. It should become company wide. So much so that many companies these days have started giving, there's one maternity leave given to women for delivery. Now, many companies have also started giving paternity leave to the husbands when their wife is about to deliver, so that he can stay with her and comfort her. To that extent, now companies are going. And we have this latest example of Virat Kohli coming back from Australia on paternity leave. Okay, then satisfaction at workplace. Gulmane, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So now your turn to read.
Okay, sir. The majority of both women and men report comfort with their choices. In terms of work satisfaction, 75% or more of both genders are satisfied with their current positions, their employers, and the respect with which they are treated by company leadership.
So what is he trying to say?
So they are trying to say that so so they are trying to say that men and women should be treated equally in the company.
शुड जैसा इस में कोई वर्ड नहीं है.
Hmm.
शुड तो वर्ड है ही नहीं कहीं.
Yes, sir.
They report that whichever choice they have made, if a woman says, I made a professional choice to work, then they say both men and women are equally comfortable in those choices. Of course, men are supposed to work, and if women also have decided to work, both of them report equal level of satisfaction with who? With their current position, with their employers, the respect in which company treats these employees, whether the employees is a man or a woman, no distinction. So companies are becoming more and more acceptable. So अभी ये सिर्फ it's not it does no more remain a good PR exercise To say that we employ so many ladies in our workforce, or because government says we should do it, it's a no. Now even these people perform good and they are satisfied. So if they are satisfied and then they perform well, then why we should not encourage more and more of this gender diversity? Motivates. This motivates. Okay, and then this is what Muskan Mehta. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your turn.
Yes, sir. Gender inclusion is a matter of survival. Gender is a very integral part of the talent base, and investment in gender inclusion is a matter of survival. And inclusive culture helps both in retention and maximization of its human capital.
तो आपको
For small and young
दोबारा लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा अभी दोबारा से. ओके हाँ.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
So continue करूँ?
Yeah, continue करें. I was only telling we have less than a minute left, so you will have to log in again. Okay, so.
Okay. For small and young organizations, inclusiveness in initiatives will give them the added advantage of embedding it more easily into the culture of the organization. This helps organization to grow global and employees to be known globally.